Okay, so I recently came across this website called BetterPic, and honestly, I was kind of surprised by how good it is. It basically lets you create super realistic AI headshots of yourself without needing a fancy camera or going to a studio. Like, you just upload a few pictures and it does all the work for you. Now, if you're not sure what headshots are, they're clean, professional looking photos of your face, usually from the shoulders up, that are perfect for CVs, LinkedIn, online job platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even social media profiles. And what BetterPic does is it uses AI to turn your regular photos into polished, studio style headshots in just a few clicks. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, step by step, from signing up to generating your headshots, editing them, everything. And trust me, the results were actually so good, I had to share this with you guys. Make sure to watch till the end because I've also shared a discount code you can use. Let's get started. So first of all, go to the official website of BetterPic. You'll find the link in the description box below. Make sure to visit the site through that link to get the maximum benefits as well. Alright, so the only thing you need to do is simply sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up, you will see two options here. So basically, you have to select who you would like to create your photo shoot for. BetterPic gives you two options. Either you can generate headshots for one person, it can be you or someone else. Or you can generate headshots for your team or company. These are the two options and you can select one according to your preference. I'll choose generate headshots for one person because I want to generate it for myself. Then it will tell you that you can get your pictures in 3 simple steps. So basically, first, you have to upload at least 8 images of yourself. I'll show you how in the next step. Then, you have to wait at least 60 minutes and it will create a complete portfolio for you. We'll go through each and every step, which is honestly very simple and easy. So make sure to watch till the end. Now click on Get Started. You will see 3 packages that you can choose from. The first one is the basic plan, which starts at $35. It allows you to create 20 headshots in one style and they'll be ready in 2 hours. You'll also get a commercial license and access to AI edits. Then there's the Pro plan, which lets you create 60 headshots in 3 styles. It'll be ready in around 1.5 hours and allows you to create up to 4 AI edits, where you can customize your own headshots, swap backgrounds, change clothing styles, or generate more of them whenever you like. Then there's the Expert plan, which starts at around $79. It lets you create 120 headshots. This is basically the premium plan and gives you way more flexibility and features. So you can select a plan according to your preference. And don't forget, you can use my coupon code FUTURE to get 10% off on your entire order. Totally worth it. You should definitely give it a try. Once you're done choosing your package, it will ask you a few things like your name, then ethnicity, then gender and your use case, like where you'll be using these AI headshot images. I'll select from here, social media, profile pictures, CV, resume, and online platforms like Upwork, etc. You can select up to 3 use cases. I'll select these. Then choose your eye color. It gives you options, so you can pick yours from there as well. Alright, once that's done, simply submit it. Now the next step is to pick your first style and background. First, you'll pick your background. What kind of setting you want in your headshots. There are options like medical, legal, educational, retail, studio, office, and many more. Select your background, then pick your clothing style, like casual, business, formal, smart casual, medical, or even Christmas themed. I'll select business. You can also choose your clothing color. There are so many options. I'll select and save this style. You can choose up to 6 styles. It depends on the package you selected. Since I chose the premium package, I can add up to 6 styles. So let's add another style as well. I'll pick another background, choose different clothing and a different color. After that, click on Continue. Now here's the main part, uploading your images. It's super important to read these do's and don'ts. Make sure the photos you upload are close up or waist up. You should be looking directly at the camera. And it's always better to smile. The quality of the image should be good, with proper lighting. Don't upload pictures with funny expressions, heavy filters, or AI-generated images. Otherwise, the results won't be good. So if you want great results, you need to upload high-quality real images. You can also crop photos if you're uploading from a group picture. Just make sure it's one person and the quality stays intact. Alright, now click on Ready to upload 8 photos. If you want to upload from your mobile device, simply scan the QR code shown here and upload from your phone. But I'll upload my images from my computer. Let's upload 8 images now. It will start processing them. Now you can see it has started processing my images. It has also discarded 2 of the images and even tells the reason why. One image was flagged as inappropriate according to them, and the other one, I think, was rejected because the face wasn't very clear. So let's upload 2 more images. Okay, so I've uploaded 2 more, and now it says that I already have 7 close-up photos, so it needs a waist-up photo as well. So let's upload a waist-up image. Perfect. All images are now approved and uploaded. And if you see here, it even gives feedback on your photos. Like it gave an 89% rating to my image set. So you can always upload better quality images to improve this score. Now that all my images are uploaded, I'll click on Generate. Now it's analyzing my photos. It will ask you to confirm a few details. If the AI analysis looks off, you can always edit and correct it. For me, it has detected the hair color as brown, which is correct. Hair length is medium, also correct. Hair type, wavy, which again is accurate. If you want to change any of this, you can simply select another option. Now click on Next. It will now ask for body type. I'll select slim. You can also add glasses or sunglasses if you want. I'll choose no glasses. You can choose your makeup style as well. I'll keep it natural, but you can go for heavy makeup if that's your style. Then confirm and continue. It will again show you all your details. You can confirm everything here or go back and edit if needed. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Confirm. Now it will start processing your order. It'll begin working on your headshots. For me, it says it should be ready in less than 30 minutes. So let's check back after 30 minutes. So here it is. My headshots are ready. Let's check them out. Okay, it has generated more than 100 headshots, and just look at this. They look really amazing. You can like or dislike images, and of course, you can download them too. Look at this one. It looks absolutely amazing. This one also looks so good, so realistic and professional. You can use these images in your LinkedIn, Fiverr, or any business-related profiles. These images are incredibly professional. I'm seriously in love with how they turned out. Now here's another cool feature. If you like a specific image but want to make edits, like changing the background or outfit, just click on BPAI Edit. It'll give you lots of options. You can change clothes, swap backgrounds, use magic fixes, magic eraser, expand images, use skin corrector, change eye color, remove background, use colored backgrounds, and more. I want to change the clothing in this image, so I'll click on Clothing, then choose Formal Dressing and select the color Navy Blue, then click Generate. It'll take around 4 minutes to generate 4 new images. So while it's generating, let's check out some other headshots. So good, so good. I'm seriously in love. Just upload your real images and it'll generate some bomb headshots for you. Loved it. This tool is a must try, guys. You should definitely give it a try. Alright, so here it has done the edits. It has changed the clothes just like I asked, and it gave me a few options, and both of them look good. So this is how you can request edits on your images. Now you can click on Download All to download all the images at once. I have 122 images in total, and I can download them all together as well. If you go to the Favorites option, you'll see all the images that you liked, so you can easily filter from there too. And yeah, this is how you can use this tool. You can also create more headshots if that's included in your package. So this was all. Alright guys, that was all about how to use BetterPic to create professional studio quality headshots right from home. No camera crew or fancy lighting needed. The link is mentioned in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tools and tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or want help using BetterPic, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Also, don't forget to use my code FUTURE for 10% off. Because who doesn't love a little discount, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.